My wonderful people, welcome back to the part 2 of this tutorial video. Please do hereby subscribe. Now you can see that we are done with our pattern cutting. Now we have to transfer it to our leather. The first area to transfer is to our leather lining. You can see we have to place it on the other side of the leather lining. Place it properly and carefully. See, I haven't made mistake, because once you have any error here, that means your footwear need to have issue. Or let me say, I need to have issue with your footwear. You see the way I'm actually turning it upside down, so I can get accurate measurements, so that it won't be as if I'm actually just going one side. So I have to do the both sides, both my right and left. So I have to trace this one just twice, because of this, that is how the pattern are in the particular picture. You can see that we are done with the pattern, so it's just for us to be transferring to leather. You see, duplicate it, and now it's time for us to cut it out into shape. You can see, and here is our suede leather. So we have to gum our leather lining. We have to gum our leather lining and our suede leather. So make sure you apply gum properly. You can see the work. Please make sure you subscribe, like, comment and share, please. It goes a long way back to our work. You can see the way I'm applying my gum. I'm applying my gum carefully. I want you guys to do that as well, but it must not touch the other side, especially when you are applying gum to your suede. It must not touch the other side. Even though if you are applying gum to your leather, if it is leather, you can still actually make use of kerosene or petrol to clean it up. But suede, it's gone. There's nothing you can do to that. You see the way it was done. Here is me retouching it again, because I'm not sewing. I'm not stitching any area, so I have to retouch it so that it won't heal up. Right? Here is me retouching it again. I'm retouching the leather lining. Moreover, the suede leather has been retouched. So I actually put that leather so that the suede won't have any stain. Then yes, the time for me to gum it together. You see, I'm gumming it one after the other. Remember, I've actually traced my line. After this, you see, I'm smoothing it. And after that, you can now hammer it. You see, with a touch of hammer, and start cutting it. You see, that is actually simple. Where we have issue is the pattern cutting, and I'm sure the way I explain the pattern, the way I break it down, I'm sure you guys understand, because I didn't say any comment that I didn't really understand this. So that means we all understand. You have to cut it one after the other. One after the other. What we make to create our upper ear is our leather lining and suede leather. Those are the two things used for this particular design, right? So let's just focus. Let's stay tuned. And please, once you subscribe, click on the notification bell. We all know that every Wednesday we drop our video, so you should be notified, so that you will be notified whenever we drop our video. Sometimes the network is poor, so it drops by the evening time, sometimes past 11. So now we are done cutting, so that we actually have those issues. So now here is our double. So the Mako 2 is going to be in between both. It's going to be in between both. So now you have to trace it. Then once you are done tracing, you apply gum to the both sides. Diagram to the both sides. When you're applying gum, make sure you retouch. There are some area, let me see, there are some particular area that whenever you are applying gum, you have to retouch it if you want your work to last. You have to retouch it. So you keep retouching both the insole, which is our double sole, but the inner of our double sole, and Marco 2. Keep retouching the both. After that, leave it a little bit for it to dry, then gum it together. Gum it together. Once you are done gumming it, trace it and use your hammer to hit it round. Then you start cutting it out into shape. Two legs, cut it out into shape, and make sure you cut it with care. This is going to be the end of our episode. See you next week Wednesday for the concluding parts. Thank you very much for watching. Please do like, subscribe, like, comment and share, and click on the notification bell. Thanks.